Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today is going to be like a public service announcement or something. As you can tell by the title, we're going to talk about when is the best time to buy your garden soil. If you watch our channel, you know that around May or April that we actually went and started buying our fruit trees again, and that's around the time where the stores start to put those things on sale. Now the spring has passed, the summer is we're kind of in the middle of summer, heading toward the end, so a lot of your stores are getting ready for school and they're going to kick off into all the other holidays. The space in the stores for potting soil is limited, right? So they want to start bringing in, limited. They want to start bringing in some other things, which is good for us gardeners, especially if you're a beginner gardener. And the price, you gotta stop. And the price is what stops a lot of people from gardening, because it costs so much with your infrastructure, trying to get your raised beds built, trying to fill those suckers with soil. So what I'm going to show you is I actually went in Walmart and got some organic soil. Oh yeah, and I'm going to show you. This one says 7/28/2018, so I'm going to show you that. I'm going to see if I can get it close enough for you. So you can see the price of that potting mix was $2.50, and somewhere down here you can see, I'm not lying, right here, 7/28/2018. That's these huge bags. These 2 cubic feet bags are $2.50. Regularly they're like maybe $9 or something to start with, and I'll show you. That's if you just got like a container garden. No, just pick it up. It's too heavy. It's too heavy to pick up. No. Let me just put it up here. So I'll show you. That's the big bag for $2.50. Now they had maybe, I think I got about, I would say about 10 of those, and they were out, so they don't have any more of these. Also, today I went and got, you can see that, this is the 1 cubic feet, you can see that right here, and I got 10 of them for $1.50 equals $15. That's these smaller bags. Hold this.
They're small. You can pick that up.
That's the smaller bags. But you can look at, I can pick this one up and show you. This is called Just Natural Organic. It's up to 3 months feed.
That's the cubic.
And I like the fact that it has the worm castings actually in the soil for improved soil structure. So it's a container and potting mix. I use these for our raised beds. Actually, I saw you. I use these for our raised beds, and you can mix it with, I would say, I mean, soil is soil. You can mix some of this, some of that garden soil, some of that top soil. Also, the other bags I saw were still for the 1 cubic feet. They are still at like $2 for some of the good potting mix, and I'm kind of hoping that they go down just a little bit, so that way I can get that extra saving. You know, if they go down to about $1.50, $1.25 just clearance, I can really run in there. Lead Farmer does like this, that place, and I can run in there and actually, I mean, this is all organic. I paid about $40, and you probably can't see. This is about, I'm gonna say about 15. I got about 8 of these 2 cubic feet, and I got 10 of the 1 cubic feet. So this is actually a lot of soil, and at least I know I'll be able to fill one raised bed some try to get me. One raised bed, and I want to take all of our old potting soil and I'll add it to a second raised bed, and I'll use some of these to start off our new containers for the fall going into the spring. And then once next year comes and everything kind of goes discounted again, I'll do the same thing. I'll take those that's in the pots and put those in a raised bed that's kind of went down, kind of build them back up, and then I'll use the new soil for the containers. And the reason why is because it's so much easier to amend raised beds as opposed to amending your potted containers, to me, as far as in place. You can always add manure and things like that to a raised bed. Containers, once you have stuff planted in them, it's hard. Other than a little liquid fertilizer, it's hard to get into it. Now, one more thing, also they make these rows where, let's go show them these timbers. They make these rows where for you to drive through to kind of catch all of this soil. But come this way, they'll see you. Catch all of the soil.
Guys,
like a row like this, right? And
guys, stay over here at the end of the video. I got something to show y'all.
All right, she got something to show y'all at the end of the video. All right, so this is some more actually potting soil. I think I got this yesterday. I got a few of those. But these are actually $1 right now on clearance. They had these in the cinder blocks, kind of making the row for the soil, so you can kind of drive down a little alleyway. At the end of the season, they get rid of these things and they go for $1, no tax, because Walmart donates the proceeds to charity, so they don't even charge you tax actually for buying these. So I got 31 of these for $1, so $31, and I'll be able to use this to kind of, and I think this is treated wood, so I'll use this just for our chicken kind of area, kind of try to,
tree house.
Not no tree house. I'm gonna use this for our chicken area to kind of expand it a little bit. I can dig a post hole digger and put some of these in the ground and just attach some chicken wire to it. So that's my idea with that. So that's it for today. I just wanted to get in a quick video to y'all. My daughter's gonna show y'all something, I don't know. But I wanna get in a quick video to y'all to show you that right now is actually the time to go out and get your soil. All you beginner gardeners, go out right now, get your soil for, I mean, is that like 70% off?
Because the ground is hot.
Okay, what about right there?
Yeah.
Where shade is? Let's go over there. All right, so it's like I tell you about buying seeds. If you buy it cheap and you get discouraged by losing things, you won't be as invested and it won't hurt as much as buying those bags at $10 and you can't get anything to grow out of it. So I'll let her finish off and I'm done, so we won't be over 10 minutes on this video. So go ahead, whatever you gotta do, go ahead and do it.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do some flips, but y'all gotta watch out if y'all do it on the concrete. So let's get to it. And look, guys. I need to show them something.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Show them something.
Go ahead. Oh my goodness. They want to see our big watermelon. I'm going to show them our huge watermelon. Wow. That's huge. All right, and tell them, everybody, grow, 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 grow. See ya.
Bye guys. Bye guys.